2 reps on your foot. I'm going to stand and keep tension. You're going to wrap like you would for Rebekah's series. Opposite armpit, around behind the back, across the lap, and then we're going to add on half a wrap more. Now from here, I'm going to lean back, lift through my wrapped leg, and bring my free leg up and through. And keep tension by lifting through that leg so I don't slide. And I roll my legs through, in between the 2 poles. I'm going to pike and bend my knee while rotating my hips up to the sky to bring my wrapped leg onto my foot. Pike and roll. From here, I can lean up and come out into my belay. Please click like and subscribe so you can be kept up to date on all the new tutorials yet to be released. Thanks again for watching Aerial